It's time to load up the skid steer and take it over to the wood lot. So I get the trailer hooked up behind me here and ready to load up. I could pile logs with my little tractor, but the landing there is so tight, and the tractor is a gear tractor, and it's just so inefficient and time consuming and hard on the tractor, and so the skid steer is just ideal for this situation. You can turn on a dime, you spin right around, you get the logs exactly where you want them. So we're gonna bring it over, and hopefully it'll be there for a little while. there, that's it for now. This went pretty good. This is really good. I'm quite sure I get a full truckload now. I bet I got more than that. But we'll find out. As you can see, the landing space is real tight. It's a kind of a mess, so had to kind of improvise a little bit, but I think worked out pretty nicely. And the nice thing is, at the end of the job, it's always nice to have something to look at to show for your work. And get a nice pile of wood here. These are mostly 12 footers, all balsam fir. And they'll make some 2x4s and strapping and other lumber to build houses somewhere. Yeah, so that's that, and I get everything yarded out, and that's been cut. So the next step now, hopefully things will cool off and firm this up a little bit, or get the ground a little harder. But the next step is going to be to go back to the processor and start cutting more wood, new trails, making piles that I can go pick up with the tractor and grapple and kind of continue the process. But I got to call the truck driver first thing on Monday, because I got to make some room. I'm not gonna have a place to put any logs. So this I got this little spot here. I was gonna start a pile, but this is kind of where I've been dropping my stuff as I twitch it out of the woods. And then this nice wide open area looks beautiful, but it's all hummocky and wet underneath. It's a big mess. You can't get around in it. And so we're going to need at least a foot of snow, maybe 2 feet. And then I'm going to go back and forth with the tracks of the excavator and get it packed down and let it freeze down. And then we're going to have a huge landing. We'll have all kinds of room to do what we need to do. But until then, hey, I'm just happy I was able to get this road put in and get this wood cut and at least get a load out and start paying some bills before things got too late in the year. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for coming along for the ride. We'll catch you next time.